Have you ever wondered how you could make your cooking easier, healthier, and more efficient? Meet the Nuwave Brio Plus 8 Cute Air Fryer, a game changer for your kitchen. With over 8,000 satisfied customers and now at an unbeatable 25% off, this air fryer is the perfect addition to your home. Let's start with what makes the Nuwave Brio Plus stand out. The digital touch controls allow you to customize your cooking with precision. From as low as 50-degree puff to as high as 400-degree puff, you can adjust the temperature in precise 5-degree increments. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, or reheating leftovers, this air fryer gives you total control over your meals. And don't worry about capacity, it's massive. The 8-quart basket can handle meals for the whole family or even a small gathering. Think of all the possibilities: crispy fries, juicy steaks, perfectly roasted vegetables, or even a whole chicken. With the Nuwave Brio Plus, you can cook more in one go and save time in the kitchen. But it doesn't just stop at convenience. This air fryer is designed with your safety and peace of mind in mind. When you remove the basket during cooking, the process pauses automatically. Slide the basket back in and it resumes right where it left off. No unnecessary hassle, no risk of overheating, just seamless cooking. One of the most impressive features is the interior. It's coated with a non-stick, PFAS-free ceramic material. That means healthier cooking and an easy cleanup afterward. No scrubbing, no soaking, just a quick wipe and you're done. Now let's talk about versatility. With 100 built-in presets and 50 customizable memory slots, you can save your favorite recipes and recall them at the touch of a button. Imagine being able to cook your go-to meals perfectly every single time. No guesswork, just consistency and delicious results. And here's the cherry on top. This air fryer operates on 3 different wattage levels: 700, 1500 and 1800 watts. Whether you need high power for quick meals or energy-saving options for slower cooking, the Nuwave Brio Plus has you covered. Still on the fence? Consider this. Over 8,000 people have trusted this air fryer to elevate their cooking game. And now it's available at an incredible 25% off. This is your chance to join the thousands of happy customers who've embraced healthier, tastier, and more efficient cooking. Beware of imitations. Only the original Nuwave Brio Plus air fryer delivers the quality you deserve. To ensure authenticity, use the official link in the description. Don't risk your money on knockoffs. Click the link and buy with confidence.